Have you recently decided to get a coating for your concrete only to find out at the consultation that your driveway cannot be coated because it is made up of pebbled concrete? Well, in this video, we are going to tell you what flooring surfaces that cannot be coated before you schedule your consultation. Hey, Chris here. Welcome to the Home Solutions channel. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 concrete surfaces that cannot be coated and 4 concrete surfaces that can be coated but will require a little bit more labor, a little bit more work, which then will increase the cost. We want to make sure that before you decide what you want to do for your concrete coating, that your concrete is able to be coated so you don't waste your time trying to find a contractor and bringing them out and having a consultation only for them to tell you, sorry, we can't coat this concrete. So let's jump to the 5 surfaces we cannot coat. Flooring types that cannot be coated. These types of concrete and floorings must be completely removed and new concrete laid before coating. Pebble aggregate finish. In order to apply a coating, the pebbled concrete would have to be chipped, jackhammered, and completely removed with new concrete laid on top. Then you can apply a coating. Landscaping stones. If your home has a sidewalk or back deck made up of landscaping stones or rock, you probably love the natural feel it gives your home, but if you're looking to change it up with a sleek concrete coating, you would have to replace these stones with smooth concrete. Tile. Because this flooring is not even or smooth, it cannot be coated. Like landscaping stones, these tiles will have to be ripped up and new concrete will be put in place to have a concrete coating. Brick. If you have brick flooring and want to pour concrete over it, you must find a high quality contractor that knows what they are doing. Otherwise, you will need a concrete expert to remove the brick and pour new concrete in its place. Wood. This type of flooring cannot be coated because it is not concrete. If you want to upgrade your wood deck or porch, you can have a professional provide high quality painting or staining to refresh the wood. Flooring types that can be coated with extra labor and added cost. Even if your concrete type is able to be coated over, it is important to know whether or not extra labor must be done. More labor equals a higher cost, so you want to have a realistic idea of what you are looking to pay for your concrete coating. Stamped concrete. This type of concrete finish takes an excessive amount of time, labor, and money to grind down the pattern and create a smooth surface. While it is possible, it is not an ideal surface to coat. Textured cool deck. Textured cool deck concrete can also be ground down to a smooth surface, but it will take an extra amount of labor and cost. Rock salt finish concrete. This type of concrete requires extra grinding to smooth away the pitting. This means more labor and a higher cost. Concrete with an old coating. If your garage, driveway, or outdoor area has a previous coating on the concrete, it can still be coated with a new coating. However, the old coating will have to be removed or ground off before laying the new coating. Again, this will cost extra in your total project cost because it takes more work to grind off that coating and place a new one. If you have any of these types of concrete and want a concrete coating, expect to pay more for your project. Plain, regular concrete is the best concrete surface for a coating. Even if your concrete has small cracks, chips, stains, or pitting, a quality concrete coating contractor will be able to fix those damages before coating. If your concrete has any major damage, then you might have to have a concrete expert repair the area first. If you want more information on concrete coating and what it might cost you, check out the video linked below. Stick around the channel for weekly videos on the home renovation process, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down below. We want to thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. Take it easy. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.